Here is how to set task priorities in Clio Manage, step by step. Begin by opening Clio Manage and waiting for the main workspace to load. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click Tasks. This takes you to the area where existing tasks are listed and where new ones can be created. From the Tasks page, click New Task. A task form will open, giving you the fields needed to define the work item and assign its details. Start with the name field and enter the task name. Use the name that best identifies the work so it is clear in the task list and easy to recognize later. Next, look for the priority drop-down beside the task name. Click that drop-down to open the available options. You will see high, normal, and low. Select the priority that matches the urgency or importance of the task you are creating. If this task needs immediate attention, choose high. If it is part of regular workflow, choose normal. If it can be handled later, choose low. After selecting the priority, move to the matter field if the task is connected to a specific matter. Choose the matter that applies. If the task is not associated with a matter, leave that field as it is and continue to the next part of the form. Now enter a description for the task. This is where you can add the details someone needs in order to understand what the task involves. Keep the description focused on the work itself so the person assigned to it can review the task and know what needs attention. Then choose who to assign to. Select the person responsible for handling the task from the available options in your account. With the main task details in place, continue through any additional fields you want to complete. You can set the task type to classify the task, and you can choose a task status to reflect its current state. If you want to estimate how long the work may take, enter a time estimate. You can also set a due date so the task appears with a clear deadline. Fill in whichever of these details apply to the task you are creating. Before saving, take a brief look over the form to make sure the task name, selected priority, and assignee are all correct. This helps avoid creating a task with the wrong level of urgency or assigning it to the wrong person. Once everything looks right, click Save Task. Your task is now saved in Clio Manage with the priority you selected.